Nā mihi au ki te maunga, auraki. Nā mihi ki te awa, waitaki. O marama, te whenua tapu. Ko arai te uru te waka. Ko waitaha, mamoi, nā hapu. Ko naitahu te iwi. Ko Ross Hemera, tōku ingoa. And I was fortunate to see some of those very early Ngāi Tahu rock drawings. The thing about that is that those rock drawings for me are actually kind of like so unique that they tell in a lot of ways almost the entire visual history of our Ngāi Tahu journey. You know, as an artist, when you're developing your direction, you're developing your focus, that focus is actually, it's as much formed and shaped by who you are and where you come from, as much as it is by anything that you learn in the art schools. And to me, where I came from has become a much stronger aspiration for my art practice. And so those drawings, if you look at them, they're quite skeletal. And so that's the style that I've now developed over the years. And I guess it's synonymous with my particular way of working. From my drawings to the graphic work that I do, right through to my sculptural work, ended up walking in the footsteps of my tipuna. I'm thinking art and design, I'm thinking mahi toi every day. There isn't a day I don't think about that. And I practice that almost every day.